Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a brand new flashlight that I think you're going to find pretty cool. It's from our good friends over at WURKKOS, and it's the HD02. Now you might be wondering, how can I get so excited about a flashlight? Well, if you've watched the channel at all, you know that I like new technology, especially around flashlights, and I've been following the development of that technology for quite a long time. And it's really changed in the last couple of years. I also like clever designs where it's a flashlight, but it's more than a flashlight. And this product has got all of that and then some. Now, before I get too deep into why I'm so excited about the HD02, I thought I'd start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that comes with the product, so you understand exactly what you get if you decide this is the right flashlight for you. And then I'll dive into the features, and I want to show you how this sort of morphs into different lighting products inside of a single frame. So let's get started with the unboxing first. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the HD02. It's made out of aircraft aluminum. It's really built to be durable. It's a great camping flashlight or something to pop in your glove box and you've got something with you on the road in case you need some additional lighting. You'll also find a short USB-C to USB-C cable. This product, you can charge it off of a standard USB wall charger, and it's got a 5,000 milliampere hour internal battery, which can provide up to 140 hours of low lighting on this flashlight. So if you're out camping and you keep it on a really low light setting, you're going to get a lot of use out of it on a full charge. They also include a really nice little lanyard that you can attach to it if you want to hang it on your wrist when you're out there walking around. That way if you drop it, it's only going to fall as far as the lanyard. And then there's this orange dot. Now I wanted to point this out because this may confuse you. When you first get the flashlight, the battery's inside of it and it's partially charged. This little disc is on the end of that battery, and that way you're not wasting energy if it inadvertently got turned on during shipping. So when you first get it, you'll take the bottom off. This unscrews right here. By the way, this has got an IP6 rating, so you can get it really wet out there in a rainstorm and not have to worry about water getting inside of it. But down the bottom, you'll unscrew that, and there's the battery. And this orange tab is on the bottom of the battery, and that stops it from wasting any energy during shipping, and again, if it gets turned on by mistake. All right, also included is a full instruction manual, and you might think, well, why do you need an instruction manual for a flashlight? Don't you just push a button and the light comes on? Well, it does, but there's a lot of other functions that this product provides. And I'll get into that now because I'm excited to talk about it, because the people that designed this at WURKKOS really thought about what I want in a flashlight. Now, a flashlight is pretty straightforward. You've got a high-powered LED in the front. You push the button, it comes on. It can generate up to 3,200 lumens of light. That's a lot of light. Matter of fact, it's so powerful that when you turn this on full brightness, you can't get it too close to your hand because you're going to burn your hand. It's actually that hot. But in addition to the powerful 3,200 lumens, you also have adjustments in the temperature. From the Kelvin scale, it'll move between 3,000 and 6,500 Kelvin. Now 3,000 Kelvin is down around that warm color, which is great if you're out on a camping trip and you don't want that bright light. And you can crank it up to 6,500 Kelvin, which really gives you like a much brighter, very focused beam when you're out there walking on a path, or maybe you do have to do some detailed work and you want that crisp lighting there. So in addition to it, it's got a flashlight out the front. It's also a laser pointer, and you've got a little rotary dial right there, and you can move to laser pointer or flashlight. And then the third position actually turns on an ultraviolet light. So if you want to use it as a UV light, you can turn it on. You've got that purple light coming down that'll illuminate certain things that a UV light will illuminate. And then if that's not enough, there are two wings on the bottom right here that pull out like this. And watch what happens when they pull out, and they extend quite a bit up. You can have it be a desk light. And let me turn it up so you can see how bright that gets just by holding this button. That's full brightness. But look what it's doing. It's actually illuminating the area. And here's the best part. It's got a magnetic bottom, so I can stick it onto something. I don't know if I've got anything to stick it on. Here we go. Let me stick it onto this. Look at that. So it sticks right on there. Or you can actually hold it with a tripod. If you got a tripod like this, or a stand-up tripod, whatever you're using, you'll basically put the tripod on the bottom of it like this, and look at that. Now I've got a nice desk lamp that I can sort of focus the beam wherever I need it, and I've got plenty of light to do what I need to do at my camping site. So it's really 4 different products in one. It's a camping light, it's a flashlight, again with 3,200 lumens of light, which is incredibly bright. It's also a laser, so I can turn on the laser. There's the laser, see the green right there? So it's a laser pointer. And then on top of it, you won't really see this because it's pretty bright here in the studio, but I've turned on that blue light. There you go. That's the ultraviolet light. So again, if I'm checking a bill for being a counterfeit or whatever, I can use that ultraviolet light. So it's giving you 4 different products in one. And I like the fact that I can also use it in a bunch of different situations. So it's got a belt clip on it, clip it to my belt, and I have it with me when I'm out there on the trail. It's got a magnetic base, like I showed you. So if I'm out and I'm working on my car, maybe I turn it on like this, you know, get the illumination going here, and I want to use it on my car, so I'll stick it to the hood of my car, and boom, I'm ready to go. Or maybe I'm changing some tires, and I can attach it to the side of the car, and I've got plenty of light shining down. And then I really like the fact that they've added that 1/4" 20 hole in the bottom, which allows me to attach it to a tripod like this, or even a full-size stand-up tripod, because if you're out camping, I don't know, maybe you've got a tripod with you for your camera, stick this on the top of it, open those 2 wings, and you've got plenty of light below you. Now, in addition to that, the unit itself is built to be incredibly durable. It's made out of, like I'd mentioned, aircraft aluminum with an IP6 rating. And that's important if you're out camping or you're hiking or you're out in the trail for a couple of days, because this can get wet. You can hit it with a high pressure jet of water and it's not going to damage it. It's got high intensity glass on the top. It'll survive a 1 meter drop onto a hard surface. And it really is built, I mean, when you hold this in your hand, it's got a lot of heft to it. It feels like something really serious, and I like that a lot. And it's small enough to fit in my glove box or slide into my pocket. Now again, everything you see here, not the tripod, but everything you see here, not the piece of steel, but everything you see here is included with the kit. And the best part is I can charge it from a standard USB-C charger at home. Once it's charged, I throw it in my bag when I'm out camping. I know I've got hours and hours and hours of use out of an incredibly powerful beam on the front end, and I've got the illumination, like I say, when I open the wings to light up the inside of the tent, to read a book, or do whatever I have to do inside the tent. And that's pretty much it. So it's the HD02, and it's from the company called WURKKOS. And I've worked with them before. They make a wide range of different lighting products. This is just one of them I wanted to talk about on the channel. I have one more that I'm going to talk about in a couple of days as well. It's a little bit smaller, and it's perfect for throwing in a glove box just in case you need a little extra light when you're out there in your car, or again, throwing it in your bag when you're going out camping. But this HD02, boy, it really impressed me. And it's hard to impress me because, again, flashlights are pretty simple. This one is really 4-in-1. It's almost like the Swiss Army knife of lighting because it gives you so many different options. Anyway, that's all I had for today. Hopefully you found this review helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.